In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom color in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to pick a color that matches your style, brand, or organizational system. Start by heading to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the little grid of squares. From that menu, choose Calendar to open Google Calendar in your browser. Once Calendar loads, you can work with an existing calendar or a new one if you've already created it. The process is the same either way, so use whichever calendar you want to customize. Look over to the left sidebar under My Calendars. Find the calendar you want to change and hover over its name. You'll see an option icon with 3 dots appear. Click those 3 dots to open the calendar's quick options. A panel will pop up showing a selection of preset colors you can apply right away. Since we want a custom color, look toward the bottom of that color panel. You should see a small plus sign button for creating a custom color. Click the plus sign to open the color picker. Here, you can use the slider and the color window to dial in the exact hue and shade you want. If you already have a brand color or a specific shade you use elsewhere, you can paste its hex code directly into the field. This ensures perfect consistency across tools. As you adjust, you'll see a live preview so you know what your calendar will look like. When you're happy with the color, click. Your changes are applied immediately, and all events on that calendar will reflect the new color by default. If you've manually recolored individual events before, those specific event colors will still take priority. So don't worry if a few look different. They're using their own event level color settings. A couple of quick tips to make this work for you. Choose a color that offers good contrast with text, so your events remain readable at a glance, especially in week or month view. If you manage multiple calendars, pick clearly distinct colors to avoid confusion. And if you collaborate with others, aligning on a simple color scheme can make shared schedules far easier to scan. That's it. Open Calendar from the Google Apps menu, click the 3 dots next to your calendar, hit the plus sign for custom colors, pick your shade and save. Repeat the same steps for any other calendar you want to customize. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly color-coded schedule.